I have never in my life taken advantage of someone who has crashed. That's not the way I race. Jan Ullrich.
Every July, millions of cycling fans eagerly watch the Tour de France, a 3-week-long, 3,607-kilometer bicycle race across the country of France. The winner of the race is awarded with a yellow jersey, a €400,000 prize, and the honor of being considered the best cyclist in the world. In 2003, the award was presented to Lance Armstrong, as it had been every year since 1999. The legendary American cyclist was praised as a hero for his triumph over cancer. But there was another hero of that year, a German cyclist named Jan Ullrich. For 4 straight years, Ullrich had finished second in the Tour de France, behind Armstrong.
Ullrich was only 15 seconds out of the lead in the 12th stage of the 2003 race, when Armstrong collided with a spectator's bag and tumbled to the ground. Only 9.56 kilometers from the finish line, it was a golden opportunity for Ullrich to take advantage of Armstrong's misfortune and put an end to the previous 4 years' defeats. All he had to do to win was simply continue along without stopping. Spectators around the world were sure that Ullrich had finally turned the tables on Armstrong and would win the Tour de France.